Hola Amigos, we are The Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. So please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, where in the world are we?
On today's episode, as we make our way back home, we do one more stop in Mexico and explore Teotihuacan.
Hola again, amigos. Welcome to our 8th and final video of our honeymoon adventure. If you have seen our previous videos, then you know that we got into a car accident in Mexico, and then we flew to Lima, where we explored Lake Titicaca, Cusco, the Sacred Valley, Machu Picchu. After that, we explored the Amazons for a few days. And then we flew from Iquitos to Lima, where we took a connection flight to Mexico City. Remember that we totaled my sister's car on day 1 of our honeymoon? Well, imagine that even with that, my sister took us back for the weekend. And not just that, but also drove us from Cuernavaca to Mexico City so that Bryan could get to see Teotihuacan. If you ask me, that pretty much elevates my sister to saint level. Anyway, we got to walk around the citadel, climb the Pyramid of the Moon and the Pyramid of the Sun. Bryan was pretty impressed. She also took us to Coyoacan, where we walked around the plaza, visited the church, and have a great dinner. My God, my sister is beyond awesome. I love her so much. This was 2 weeks or so after the car accident, and after all the flying we did and after all the exploring we did, and after being for almost a week without the coca leaf tea, we were in pretty rough shape by now. Thankfully, we just spent the weekend in Mexico and flew back to Phoenix that Monday, where our doctors almost crucified us for not coming back from Mexico just right after the accident. I want to thank my sister for being so freaking awesome. But this one trip, with the accident, pretty much changed the way we travel. So stick around to the next videos so you see what do we mean with that. Well, that's it for today, you guys. Please consider subscribing, smash that bell, and know that wherever you are in the world, we wish you good health. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.